Steve Pitbull here, Pitbull Motors on a Saturday morning. The morning we clean the shop and try to, get it in check. Coronavirus is going around, quiet. Customer just rolled up and he asked me if I could check his car, and he told me about all his work he needed, or that he was told he needed at the dealership around the corner. And I said, well, how many miles are on the car? He told me 20,000 miles. I said, you got to be kidding me. I said, do you notice the car pulling or driving, in a manner that would cause you to think it needs front suspension work? He said, no. So with that said, he showed me a piece of paper that the dealer gave him. Step aside, step aside. Now, take a look at that. Steering rack, right spindle, right strut, strut mount, sway bar link, wishbone, lower control arm. $10,000 worth of repairs. $10,000 worth of repairs. So anyway, I typically would blow somebody off on a Saturday and send them on their way and get them back during the week, but coronavirus is among us. Everybody's home. We need money, we need work, so we take what comes in. So we pulled the shields down for starters. See that leaf? That tells me the shield wasn't even removed for the car, and the bolts being all rusted, stuck on, told me the same thing. So he's got 20,000 miles on this car. And he needs none of, shut that light off please. He needs none of what was mentioned. What I do notice is he might have took a bump or a pothole, or the strut was loosened up and not tightened, and it dipped down about a half inch, 3/4 of an inch, and needs to be pushed back up. Now, his wheel doesn't even look bent at all, okay? So, I know times are bad, people. I know the coronavirus has got everybody's nuts in a tizzy. But to get a man that you sold a car to 5 years ago with 20,000 miles on it and try to stick it in his ass for 10 grand is ridiculous. 10 grand. Steering rack, knuckle, blah, blah, blah. The list goes on. The man needs none of the above. Nothing except for that. And they didn't even want to put an inspection sticker on his car because the front end damage was supposed to be so severe. Holy crap. Who goes through life like that? I mean, you know what I get pissed at? That they think this man is that stupid. They think he's that stupid that he would do all the work. I mean, what kind of asshole would tell someone, hey, your 20,000 mile car needs $10,000 worth of repairs, or we're not going to put an inspection sticker on it? Who would think he would fall for that shit? Well, he didn't, and he came to me. And now he's going to get his car fixed for the price of an inspection sticker.